After 1.5 years, we are back. This is season 2 of Roller Coaster C/D. Hello, welcome to the exciting second season of Roller Coaster C/D. We're here today at Disney World for the entire second season, and our first ride today, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses,
Alright,
this here's a
here we are on
ride in the wilderness.
the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Sorry about this train in front of me. There's nothing I can do about this. That is one loud chain lift. And away we go. Nobody likes to go wet. Holy crap! These are serious turns. Wow, that train is loud. Second in our adventure. What a ride. Whoa, there's the mountain. Oh, there's another one. Oh, no, crap. Why doesn't it just release you once you go over the top? I don't goddamn understand. Oh. Yeah, I'm really, these are so freaking oh man, that was so fun, man. Man. Well there you have it. That was Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Thanks for watching. Thanks for riding. And I think this is, and we hope to see you right back here in the very near future. Wow, man, that was a really wild ride.